Oh, man. I guess that's what they said when I was little. So when I was little growing up, oh, he gone.
I'm so sorry.
Crashed. You got to bring something. Yeah, that's how it works. You got to bring something.
Yes.
That's what they say when
I just like
3.5 years.
3.5 years.
Yep, 3.5 years.
Did you go to Bethany before?
No.
No, I met her. We met online. Met online, and she lived in Franklin Park, and we met online, and I said, well, heck with this here, let's talk with me, because she was a writer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she writed there, and she had her own website, and she liked to travel and everything. I said, oh, gee, let me check her out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm still there. Yep.
She was about to have her thing.
Yes, I know.
And
Facebook her countdown.
and we just seen Nicolette about a month or two ago, because her friend Ram Law, did you know Ram?
Yeah.
Ram and
I know his brother,
Kishiba.
Me and his brother went to high school.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. She haven't. I don't know if she had it yet. Did she have it yet?
Oh, well, I didn't see anything on Facebook.
8 degrees, I think she said. Yeah, it was like 8 degrees.
So we're seeing.
I know you are ready to come, so.
Yeah.
I'm such a
Yeah. Oh, Brittany, I'm glad I get to see you.
I know.
I told your mom, I said, I talked to her, I said,
3 days on the cruise, so I said, shoot, we got a real vacation out.
so we had a cousin Thomas's house in Tampa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we're in Riverview.
No, where? Riverview, yeah, that's where we at. And we had with Tampa and Riverview and the doggy. Oh, he sleep now. Cause she sleep. Heather? Yetta, we ain't gonna talk too loud. Don't wake Yetta up. We got a dog that sleeps all the time, every day.
She's not real.
I don't know, it's a sleeping dog.
No,
It's a sleeping dog.
it's real. So people come over and say, is she gonna wake up? Like they be sitting there the whole time.
Yeah, they say, wait a minute.
It's even there. We have her sitting on a pillow. And they're waiting for the dog to wake up the whole time, so finally they'll say something. They'll say, that dog's been sleeping a long time. And we just fall out laughing.
Hey, did you, Cindy, did you make the CD of did y'all get a CD of the family union? What happened with that?
I posted on Facebook. It's on YouTube.
Oh, go to YouTube, man, and check a CD out, man.
CD, I never make CDs. He calls it that.
Yeah, go on YouTube.
Oh, you mean the
Videos from the right. Yeah.
I'm thinking about a DVD.
We're looking at the weather too, of what it's like in New Jersey. Like it's like 22 degrees in New Jersey, and we're down here in sunny Florida, what we say, and it's like 65 degrees down here in Tampa. Yay!
And there's a blizzard gonna be going on at home when we get there.
Yep.
He said, go Bucks.
Go Bucks.
Go Bucks. Go Buccaneers. Yeah, Tampa Bay. That's cool. I like Tampa Bay.
About Ohio State, but that's my school.
Yeah, I like Tampa Bay. I'm rooting for Lovie Smith, man.
All right.
That's my man. I'm rooting for Lovie Smith.
Don't put us in there.
Yes, sir. I'm rooting for Lovey. Yeah, nice house, man. Nice house. This house here. Everything's all in place. I guess he don't touch anything.
He said, I don't touch it.
See, touches it and then puts it right back. That way you keep everything all in place. That's how you do it, man. Just leave it alone. Dust around there a little bit.
Oh, boys, all to the race.
Yeah, man. All right, we're going to go over now, dear. We just thought I'd give this here little thing here going.
Yeah, how's your dad doing?
He's doing okay.